How to create a webinar on Eventbrite. The first thing you want to do after creating your Eventbrite account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to tap on Create Event and you can choose to start from scratch. Once you have done that, you will be able to upload a cover photo or video, so you could tap on Upload Photos or Video. And from there, you can select the image that you would like to add. So I'm just going to be using a random image for this example. So let's say, for example, this thumbnail right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on Save. Once you have saved the cover image, you're going to simply scroll down. And if you like to upload a video, better yet, you can also do that. Then you're going to tap on Event Title. And from here, you could put in the event title. So I'm just going to call it Webinar. Then you're going to add in a quick summary. So I'll type in this is a free, or better yet, this is a webinar. So I'll be showing you how to create it both paid and free. Then you're going to scroll down and you'll see the option location. And I want you to tap on the plus right here. After tapping on the plus, you can choose whether it is a single event or a recurring event. Then from there, you can also choose the date that the event will be held. So let's say, for example, it will be held on the 8th of August. And you can choose the time that it will start and the time that it will end. Once you have done that, since this is a webinar, we're going to be selecting online event. Then you're going to scroll down and you could add a quick overview if you want by tapping on the plus. You can also scroll down and you could add some FAQ questions if you want by simply tapping on the plus. And if you would like to add a lineup or agenda, you can do that by tapping on Add beside each one. After you're finished, you're going to tap on Save and Continue in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on Save and Continue, after the changes have been saved, you'll be redirected to this page. And this is where you'll be able to connect the platform that you'll be hosting the webinar on. Whether you like to host it on Zoom, you could tap on Add Zoom. If you'd like to link another provider, you could tap on Link Provider. And from here, you could input the URL of the platform that you plan on hosting the event on. And you could also add in a title. Then you will tap on Save. Once you have tapped on Save, from there you'll be able to create tickets by tapping on Add Ticket from the left-hand menu option. So we're going to tap on Add Ticket right here. So I'll discard the changes and I'm just going to tap on Add Tickets. After selecting Add Tickets, you have three options. You can either choose to create a paid webinar, so you could select paid. Or if you like to create a free webinar, you could select free. Or if you like to collect donation, you can select donation. So let's say we were to select paid. From here, you can see you can set up different tiers, but we're just going to leave it at general admission. Then from there, you can enter in the quantity of tickets. So let's say 100. And you could set in the price. After doing that, you can scroll down, and if you like to absorb the fees or ticket fees are deducted from your ticket revenue, you can simply toggle that right there. Then you can choose when you would like to start the sale of tickets. You can choose the start and end date, then select advanced settings. And from there, you can add in a description. You can also set up the visibility and so on. Once you are finished doing that, you're going to tap on Save once more. After you have selected Save, from here you'll be able to add the currency. Then you will tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you can see right there that our tickets have now been arranged. And we can also tap on Add-ons. And you could add different add-ons. For example, you'll be able to sell merchandise and so on if you want. You could also create a discount by selecting promotion. Or if you like to create a promo code, you can do that. And by tapping on settings right here, you could also add in a message that you like to display whenever the ticket sales have end. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Publish. Once you have entered in all of the information that I told you earlier, from here, all you need to do now is select the event type, so you can select the category. So for example's sake, I'll just select conference. Then from there, you'll be able to select the category. After selecting the category, you'll be able to add tags. Then you'll scroll down And from here, all you'll need to do now is select publish. But keep in mind that I haven't set up the platform that I would like to host it on. So that's why you don't see the publish option. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once you're finished creating it, so if I were to go back to events, for example, say, once you're finished creating it, from here you'll be able to share the link. So you can see the event right here. So we could tap on the three dots and you could choose to promote the event by tapping on promote event right here. After tapping on promote event, you'll be redirected to this page. And if you'd like to do paid social media ads, you can do that. Or you could simply tap on social media. And then from there, you can start sharing it. So we could simply tap on start sharing. After you have tapped on start sharing, from here, you can scroll down and you could simply choose the platform that you would like to share it on. And you'll be able to preview the post. Then you'll tap on share and you'll be able to share it. So there are numerous platforms that you can choose from on different sharing options. We could also select email campaigns. And with this platform, you'll be able to set up email campaigns. So you could tap on new campaign and you'll be able to create an email campaign that you can use. So there are quite a few options that you get when it comes on to Eventbrite and sharing your events. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.